Well, we received multiple calls overnight about a loud, deafening noise in northeast Colorado Springs.
Yeah, this was wild. Between 11 and midnight, calls came in mostly near Peterson Space Force Base, but even people reported hearing it from as far as Black Forest. Rattled windows, shook cars. Check out this video sent to us by a viewer. Yeah, flash and a pop followed by a long roaring boom. Was it some kind of aircraft, breaking Mach speed, breaking the sound barrier? We don't know. We spoke with CSPD, who told us they received several calls too about the noises. While they could not confirm what the noises were, they did say that they received no reports of injuries. Users on social media speculate it was training from Space Force Base, a nearby Space Force Base. However, at this time, again, we can't confirm who or what the sounds came from. If we do hear anything that's of confirmation, of course, we'll tell you here on KRDO 13.